All right, so this is the deep breathing exercise in the dead bug position. So your knees are up at 90 degrees and your arms are up at 90. I'm gonna start off by just taking 2 breaths for a warm up. And you wanna pull that air, same thing, into your low back. And as you exhale, you're pulling your ribs down. So 2 breaths, inhale. So you want your back flat on the wall, on the table the whole time. You don't want to arch. This is the wrong way, and this is the right way, okay? So inhale. So we're gonna add to this, we're gonna add our arms, okay? So you're gonna, same thing, you're gonna inhale as you reach back. Exhale as you come back to center.